I'm coming.
He's right down there.
Oh yeah, I see him. Okie dokie, let's keep moving here. Sorry, I've been kind of quiet.
I found a school of fish.
Just tired. It's early in the morning, even earlier at our.
Nothing.
And it's actually later at our house.
The other one is
So I'm
really
tired.
much. Really good. Give me a big. We're just gonna do that. Fluffy rock.
Fluffy rock. I wonder if these fluffy rocks are friends with Fluffy Stump Smash.
Yeah. Fluffy rock stump smash. He's made out of stone and fluffy. Or they can make rock smash and then have fluffy rock smash.
Here's the thing, this actually kind of came up in my dream last night. I wonder how the Battle Cast cards are going to be distributed, as in like, will they come with certain like Battle Cast Skylanders that you can buy, or will they actually come in their own packs? Like maybe if like with, I don't know, but they have like released all.
I like that.
They haven't released all the waves yet. There's still one more wave.
I like that.
Yeah. So maybe the Battle Cast cards, you'll get like, I'd say maybe 10 Battle Cast cards for a Skylander.
I like that. I really think they should have made like a series 2 that.
Yeah, everyone. I really wish that they made another Spyro. I mean, they stopped making them. He was going there for a while.
Spyro's like the main character.
And he was the one who hasn't even made another game.
What?
Like, I wasn't surprised for a Trap Team, but Superchargers, I was actually really surprised. Because, like, since they're starting over and they're like, we're going to include like your old favorite characters and some new ones and stuff like that. I was really surprised there because like Spyro is my favorite character from the original game.
There to be more Skylander stuff.
Yeah, there should be more, another Skylanders game. I hope there is.
I got an idea.
Because, you know, technically we didn't actually defeat the darkness. We just put it back where it came from.
Maybe we have to defeat the darkness.
Which means that it's possible to come back. And the core of light is destroyed forever, so, you know, there should be another. I'm hoping there is too. I want to get those new, like, blue guys. They made, like, these,
I have an idea for the bottom.
these, like, blue Splat, this blue Trigger Happy and stuff.
Jeffrey, I have an idea for the bottom color.
What?
Purple.
Purple, yeah. Cool.
What is the best I could think of?
Maybe yellow. That could work. They haven't done yellow yet. Or pink. They've done red, but, you know, still got quite a few colors. And then this time they just put the bottom with what the element was.
I think that's kind of stupid.
I like it though, with the, like, how they're standing on the engine. Yeah. Just walking along the beach. Pretty long video. I'm probably gonna split this. Notice it's like 20 minutes long.
Oh, Jeffrey, I have a good name if you had a very circular pet rock.
What?
Rollin'.
rolling, because he's rolling. And, no, I'm just kidding. Okay, I think I'm going to stop it here. I've been filming for a long time. Finally made it to the second tide pool on some rocks right now. Nice. Oh, wow, nice. It's a good one. So, yeah. Little fish. Look at all the little fish over there. So tiny and cute.
Hey, Jeff.
Yeah? Oh, nice.
Sea urchin.
Found a search and spike.
That means there is one.
Yeah, we call them search and spikes. Because there's sea urchins. So we kind of combined them. And we said searchin. Look at all those chickens.
No.
Oh, wow. Yeah, those are cute little guys. I've already seen them though. So, look at all those chickens. Whoa. Maddie, look. I think I found like a big, really big hermit crab shell. See him? Right there.
Is that hermit crab shell? Oh,
I
you
think.
want me to grab it?
Yeah, sure, grab it. What is it? Cool. Just gonna boop. Hi.
Hi.
I'm gonna go look what's over here. Doesn't seem like much of anything over here. A lot of rocks. Oh, there's a couple little fish over there. But, you know, other than that, there's some fish right here. Some of those big sardines. You found a searchin'? Oh, I'm coming. I need to parkour my way over there. It's slow parkour though. It's not like the fast parkour that everyone else likes to watch. It's just kind of. How are you so confident about this? I feel like I'm gonna slip every moment, Mom.
There's a big guy in here. There's a sea urchin on the side there.
Oh yeah, there is.
Okay. Are you able to pick up sea urchins?
Probably with like a net or something. Because they're pretty spiky, yeah. See them?
And then there's a baby here, and there used to be a red one.
Look at all the little baby pilot fish.
Oh, there they are. There's the yellow and the red
yeah.
one over there. Oh, they're everywhere. Mom, watch out. They're over on the sea urchins. They're everywhere.
Everywhere what?
Sea urchins.
Where?
Look at where you just stepped.
Look,
right
there's
there.
one right here too, behind.
Oh yeah.
I found a little one. Like that.
That's good. Try. He could be pretty spiky though.
Yeah, don't grab him out. Some guys said it just sit on the bottom.
There it is. Cool. Okay guys, I think I'm going to stop it here. There's no reason to film the way back. But yeah, thanks for watching and see you later.